Hey, welcome to another print tweet, Danny. I've had another rather massive fill on the IR3. Um, I came home to a big pile of plastic spaghetti, and when I checked what happened, I saw that the throat broke off. So the heating block with the element and the thermistor and the nozzle just broke clean off, and yeah, the plastic kept spewing for a couple of hours right from the throat. Yeah, I'm guessing uh, the model got stuck and the printhead ran into it and just snapped off. So in this video you'll see at least a part of the process of me trying to restore it. I've had some spare parts, so at least I had everything I needed to rebuild it. And yeah, I actually managed it, but it was quite an ordeal. So hope you enjoy. I also run into another something I missed. Let's just say I really need to start looking at new glasses. But yeah, enjoy the video. So after a day away, I came home to that mess, and yeah, it seems like my throat piece broke off. Well, the screws are tight at least, so no problem there. Now, what probably happened is the belt probably got stuck, and the hot end moved into the print, and yeah, snapped violently, and yeah, this started oozing out of the throat. Yeah, I didn't feel like filming before, so I don't have films. I do have some pictures, so I'll try to splice those in somewhere in the clip. Yeah, took the whole thing apart again. Could get that. This was all stuck to the hot end. That probably oozed out of the throat, the broken throat here, which was probably still heated by the heating element. And yeah, it was a horrible mess. So yeah, so now took this crap off the hot end, that off the bed. Yeah, used my heat gun a lot. Was able to get out the heating element and the thermistor. Those still seem to work, so yeah, that's one thing. Yeah, quite surprised I got those out in one piece. Now I have to try to get the broken throat piece out of here, and also out of here. Yeah, it's snapped right off. This was supposed to be here. Yeah, it might be nice if they beef that up somehow, or make an extra connection, because yeah, it's quite a weak connection. I mean, the hot end works really well. Really love the results I was getting. But yeah, this kind of sucks. Yeah, I got an extra throat, so if I'm able to get this out and get that piece out, then I should be able to get it working again. If not, then I'm gonna need at least a new heating block. And yeah, let's see how far we get. I've got all the two little screws that hold the thermistor and the heating element. I got those out in one piece. Horrible job, by the way, to get those out. But yeah, I got them out. I heated it up with the heat gun, and I was eventually able to take them out. So now let's see if I can. Yeah, first I'm gonna take off the nozzle, See if I can get that cleaned up a little, and yeah, hopefully be able to get this out. But we'll see how far we come today. I've been heating stuff up with my heat gun, and yeah, I actually got the throat out. First I got the nozzle out, and yeah, I heated it up some more. I jammed my pliers into there, and I got a little grip, and I could finally get it out. Cleaned up the thermistor and the heating element as far as I could. They're looking semi-decent. I'll have to replace those soon. But yeah, now I only have to get that piece of the throat out of my I think I'm gonna unscrew it and see yeah, if I can reach it then. Okay, so I gave the thermistor and the heating element a good rub down with some IPA. I think this is about as clean as I'm gonna get them. Yeah, we have the heating block where I got most off, and the little screw that's in the heating block. So I was thinking I'm gonna soak that for a while in some IPA. See if we can get it a little cleaner. Well, see how that turns out. I hope most of the plastic will dissolve, and I can take the rest off. I'm gonna leave it in here for a while. Yeah, meanwhile we're going to part 2 of saving the Hotend. Yeah, I'm gonna take that down now and see what we can do here. So, well, this is nicely soaking. Put in the hex screws that hold the thermistor and the heating element also in there, so hopefully those will get clean. And in the meantime I took the Hotend apart further, and yeah, since this is a loose part, I think I should be able to get that throat out, and I have a spare one, so I think I'm actually going to put this thing together again. Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna make it, but we'll see. The night is still young. Well, let's see if I can get it out. Trying to figure this out while going along. I got this off. That's still intact. This is my replacement throat, so at least I have one. And now I just, this is the part that was stuck in the heating block. And I got it out. Let me see this, where it's broken. Yeah, this is where the side where it broke off, where I could get it out. And now I have to figure out how to get this out. I've been looking for the spare one so I could see. Oh, it seems to be just pressed in there, so I should be able to get it out and put a new one in. Well, let's see if I can figure it out. Well, that took quite a bit of force, but yeah, finally got it out. Seem to have damaged this played a little in the process, but I think most of the damage is cosmetic. Now, if I can get the new throat in, shoot. Yeah, it seems like I can get the whole thing working again if I didn't damage it too badly during this process. Let's see how my things are going. Yeah, this might all work out. Yeah, we're gonna pick out a new nozzle. Should need to figure out which of these are my 0.4 nozzles. Ah, these are 0.4. That's nice. Yeah, I think it's time to build her up again. Let's see if I can get it working. Okay, could be me, but I see no way this is gonna hold. So I either broke it while trying to take it apart, or there's just no way that this is replaceable. The original throat that was in here was stuck really good, and this one now, yeah, it just falls out. I can put some force on it. Get it in position. But this comes off way too easy. It's good. Could think of some way to hold it in place, but yeah, then I'll have to modify it a bit. But I don't see this holding, because also this part just rests on it. It's like this, and then in here. But if the force of the filament comes out, it's definitely gonna push all this out. I see no way that this is gonna hold. But I think I'm still gonna try. Maybe I'm surprised. Could be that the heating element or the heating block is stuck on this, but I seem to remember that there was that I could see that space. So I don't think it's the heating element that's holding it in place. I think it's really the plastic. Yeah, I think I maybe should redesign this. I don't know if this is the ideal setup. Okay, yeah. Oh, do I see it now? Oh yeah, I think I screwed up. Oh, I now see it. There's a little hex over there. Shit, yeah, I forced it out. There are hex screws. Okay, so I'm gonna try to... no, I get it. Yeah. Well, that's how blind I am. I'm wearing my reading glasses and I totally missed that. Okay, so that's another screw up on me. Yeah, I think I can salvage this. Yeah, I'm gonna try to lock it into place with those hexes. Okay, so I think my blind ass didn't ruin it completely. Jeez, I can still only see that screw on the screen now. Wow. Okay, this is just a sign I need to film more. When I film it, I actually see what I have to see. But yeah, I didn't even have any hex key for that, so I'm glad I have this thing. Yeah, it's, lots of different bits, and yeah, there even was one small enough to tighten these. So now that we have that sorted out, yeah, now it's just waiting for my soaking parts over there. I think I'm gonna leave them in there for, yeah, about half an hour or so, and then I'm gonna start putting it back together. I think I might actually get it working again. Well, that is until the next time this thing breaks. I don't know if it was my fault or it's just manufacturing error. I think it's my fault actually, but I wasn't there when the thing failed. I think something got stuck to my model got stuck to the belt, and when the belt couldn't move, the hot end plowed into the model and snapped off. I think it's something like that, but yeah, I can't be sure. I wasn't there. I just came home and it was bad news. Ah, okay, my sock is still relatively clean. Yeah, I can clean that out. It's gonna be perfect. Yeah. Well, let's see if it all works out. Okay, got some parts that's been soaking in IPA all night. Oh, these things are small. Still, there's still some plastic on there. Going to, yeah, pretty damaged in all the process, but I think it's heating block is still salvageable. Screws, yeah, I'm gonna rub them down with a steel brush and yeah, see if there's still a lot of plastic left on it. I'll be heating it up a little more, scrubbing it a little more, and then see how clean we can get it. Well, this is probably as clean as I'm going to get them. There's some damage. Ooh, it's still hot. I think I got most of it off. Screws are relatively clean again. Yeah, time to put this thing back together. See if we can get it working. Okay, that was quite some effort getting the throat piece back in, but I think I got it right. Screw holes over there. This should do it. Well, I had some trouble fitting these back in, but they're almost right now. So I think I'm gonna put it back together. I got that little hex screws that need to go back in here, so yeah, I'm gonna do that next, and yeah, on to the next step. I took the metal plate off so I could see how far I'm into the heating block. I think this seems like the correct depth for going in. So the nozzle is going to come here. So I think the threads will reach that point. So now I'm gonna put the plate back on, then insert the thermistor and the heating element. First put the sock back on. Don't forget the sock. And yeah, let's go. I got the thermistor and the heating element in, as good as I can get it in. Yeah, there seems to be not much space, so I'll take the hot end off again and see if we can get some room to work with. Okay, we got everything off again. Now it's just a matter of putting this on here again, and then we should be good to go. I saved the screws here. These are the screws for the fan duct, and these are the screws to fasten that plate where it's all those holes, and you can just reach them. Oh, let's put this thing back together. So in the end I actually used a pair of tweezers to put my screws in the right place, and then tighten them up using the little hex screw. And yes, even using two pairs of glasses I can't see anything. But at least I seem to have put it back together correctly again. The mister is in, heating element is in, nozzle is in, heat break. Oh, yeah, it actually looks half decent. Well, let's get it up again. So, she's up there again, looking like it's supposed to look. Let's see. Okay, fan starts up. That's good. Let's see if we get any errors when we start doing something with the temperature. Let's take it easy. Let's put her up to 90 degrees. What happens? Yeah, no error. So the thermistor seems to be working. The heating element seems to be working. Yeah, that's good for now. Okay, we seem to be back in business. Let's see what she has. Definitely see some straining, but I can live with that. Seems to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. Let's see if I can get this away. this. Yeah, that's doing what it's supposed to be doing. I think I actually got, got her fixed up again. That was a lot of work. That was an insane amount of work. But okay. This seems like it was worth the effort. So, hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, let me know. When did you see the little grub screw that I missed? Especially when I rewatched it, I was screaming at the screen from "Damn it! Look at it! Just look at it!" But okay, yeah, I'm glad I found it in the end. So, well, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, like, subscribe, share, all those nice things, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.